Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see by now, this is the first shipment ever on the channel. I've never really sent anything out of Mombasa, but this is the first one. This is the PS4 with the 2 controllers and 4 games and HDMI and power. You saw the setup tour, so you know what this is. Anyway, you can tell it's been signed by all the alpha maniacs. Also Malik, Bashtub, Swahili Gamer, Tunia, Musili, all of us are here, guys. The Kenyan sidemen. When we were broke, before they were famous in the channel. Before they were famous.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first vlog of this year. It's your boy Swahili the G. We're out here again with another vlog. You know how it is.
No.
Bashtub right there, ladies and gentlemen. Busema hi, baby.
Yo, what's up, mate? Shout out to her.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, today what we're doing is we're delivering the first purchase of the channel. For those who don't know, I said I will start selling iPhones, okay, Apple products. I will be selling I will be selling the iPhones and the Apple watches and MagSafe, everything Apple related, and also maybe every now and then some Samsungs. You know how it is. So guys, this is to show you that everything is legit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the PS4 packaging. We are still in creative. There's the PS4 in there, the 2 controllers, the 4 games and HDMI and power cable, everything is in there.
So here we are, dropping this Basma topping. Yeah, you know I like rapping. Shout out to all the ladies.
Basi kuna mtu atakatufanya Omegle kwanza nakwambia. Sema basi fanya na Omegle bana.
Yeah, Omegle is coming soon, don't worry.
Omegle lako kwenye channel utaupload lini basi tuambie?
2000 subs.
This controller over here remains. So please, if there's someone that wants this Nakon controller, brand new guys, I'm not joking around, this is brand new, high quality, zero latency, no delays, nothing of that sort, guys, with back pedals. As you can see, for those guys who play Call of Duty, there's 2 back pedals on each side, 2 here and 2 here, and there's like 3 or 4 mods you can set it to. You know, you can connect it to the PC as well. For those who want to play on PC, you can play things like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Overwatch, Uncharted, whatever. You can do with this thing whatever you want, to be honest. So yeah, guys, please DM me about this. Hurry up before someone else buys it in front of you.
What?
We are currently in a in an Uber ride. I will say in our Tesla, electric Tesla with the bus. Anyway, this is why you pay for transport, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, msha drop bana mzigo hapa. Au sio? Kuna Bashtubu pale. Naona, press bashaba mwenye relax. So now we're waiting on Abdallah to enter around sasa. The vlog starts now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're outside with Bashtu and Abdallah. Abdallah, say hi.
Biggest, smallest.
Also, Abdallah is wearing the match. Abonyeshe match up. I'll say.
Moja ni mbebe.
The alphas. Mbebe rakana mbebe juu bana. Abdallah tulia. We are going out for nakwambia siku inaanguka nini na yenyewe ni elfu zote. Abdallah uonekani wewe ni mdogo alafu
sasa wanipigia mapushi jamaa, tulieni.
Ama sema hi basi.
Tulia basi. Hi.
Atakwenda.
Wale wale watoto wewe. Anyway, we are going to buy some things for a video. Tulia basi bwana, nakupa tu bwana nyuma ukinipiga. Abdallah mwisho.
So basi shogo, naambia. What's up jamaa? This is me, your friendly neighborhood handsome guy, you know. Girls DM me basi.
This is the last
the last of us.
Achangwa record jamaa. Shopping with Abdallah and Bashtub.
Here we have pillows, you know.
I'll see you. For the Alpha Maniac house. Chukua ya Musili na Malik. Malik mpatie mbili. Hiyo chukua moja hapo ya Malik na Musili. Ladies and gentlemen, my girlfriend. For those who are wondering why I don't post her, there she is. There she is. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Wajakata resina kwa sababu gani?
Nitafute huo.
Nini Abdallah? Ushapiga picha bwana?
Ipo kwenye movie tu Cinderella story.
Wewe ndio kwenye Cinderella story.
Full kwanza.
Haya, ongea Abdallah. Wewe au ya bana. Au sio? with crisps now.
Yeah, crisping, you know.
Moving around. Oh, toka fresh like that. Mimi na simu yangu. Where the boys man, I'll see you. I'll see you. How we know discussing factors affecting
Political instability.
I'll see you.
At the moment.
We're out here touring, you know how it is, Bana. We got Tony on the far right. And
Alpha.
Shout out
to you know who.
I'll see you.
Shout out to Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande. Selena. If you're watching this, here's my Instagram. I will take up on Instagram now.
And my Snapchat, you know, I'm also on the
On Snapchat to Snapchat. This is just basically a tour of Mombasa. That's what this vlog is. Manake.
Walking in the day.
I was here walking a day in the life.
A day in the life.
Ryan Trahan, Eje Shabile. Basi kule mwisho muona. Hadi inaonyesha screen ndogo kweli. Anyway, so this is just walking in town with the boys. This is Mombasa by there for those who don't know. Anyway, what we wanted to say is content is coming with the three of us guys. This is Bashtuk. The link will be in the description, Antonia and me. We will be doing public videos. That's number one. Cooking videos. So we'll also be doing cooking videos. What else?
We will be DMing one of the celebrities to see who will reply.
anything.
DMing 500 celebrities.
100 hot celebrities.
Watu wa Kenya basi.
Wale kina itaje ule demo ile ambayo
Njugush.
Ati Njugush ni kutindane sasa.
Au toa yule wacha nani yule jamaa.
Asia kama nani? Mama Fatma.
Yule kwenye ile kaangware sasa Njugush.
Guys, we'll be DMing 100 subscribers to see who will reply. Hakuna taka reply na. 100 celebrities. Hatujuani, hatujui.
I've already DM'd Taylor Swift. No. We have hopes. She will answer no one.
One day.
Slavery FIFA guys. Slavery FIFA is also coming. Hebu niweke vizuri.
Vlogs pia.
Also Slavery FIFA is coming with Tunia. Tunia hajaifanya, si ndio? Splash Fist ilifanya lakini hawajapata.
Tomorrow inshallah.
Tomorrow Slavery FIFA. Whether that.
Piga huyo.
Usonga huko ile na tutoa timing. Apet. Kusumbua kwa gari chano. Tutapata pesa pia sisi tanua gari.
One day, yes. Okay.
Haya, tomorrow guys we'll do Slavery FIFA because someone commented that with this guy.
First game.
Alafu we'll try Roblox. Kesho kutwa.
Minecraft.
Watu lazima na Roblox, Minecraft. And other Uno, any random games, the three of us.
We'll do forfeits, more challenges.
Wale fanya Roblox challenges.
Yes.
One day.
Forfeit pilipili.
Yes.
Una ile pema ilisha matano. Alafu ndio nini pia apart from utafanya nyingine gani ya kupika.
Yes, cooking.
Yes, we'll do some cooking videos.
Challenges cooking. Who will bake the best breakfast out of us?
Yes, with forfeits.
What is goated vibes?
Hajagogo hapa na tuk-tuk.
What is goated vibes, brother? Please explain us.
We have another channel called Goated Vibes,
which
where
is
we
dead
do
for years. So yeah, make
where
sure
we
you
do
subscribe.
cooking. We do cooking nini hapo.
Only cooking explicitly. Explicitly.
Usema ndio explicitly. Ni explicitly sijui.
Unasema nini?
Changing angle because you know.
My hand is.
Iko sawa, iko.
Pale sawa.
Iko sawa.
You can see Ed and Eddie.
Jama, what's
Jongo.
What's name?
What are you saying? Yes, every content inakuja, au sio?
As you can tell guys, me and Abdallah, we are the same color. Same color, ladies and gentlemen.
Tulia basi. Mbona ni hagi sasa? Bashubu.
Abdallah sitaka ile yapawe wangu mimi wallahi.
Boxing match. The winner gets
Yes, KSI versus
the winner gets to call Abdallah
lips on his sister.
Yes.
Malik ilikuwa fani chukua mimi Malik. Malik ndo alikosea. Sister yako ile Osman alikuwa anasema mvulana kwa wewe moyo.
Osmania.
Mwambie afanye transgender basi.
Well, whoever is watching this from US or any other country, we're looking for jobs.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're looking for jobs. If you live in the US, we are looking for jobs.
If women need sugar daddies,
we are here. The three musketeers.
We're looking for jobs, guys. Please. If you're living in the US.
Yeah, you know.
At any country in Europe, please, man.
Any country, give us employment. Give us. We'll do anything. Wash the toilet, wash the closet, wash your clothes with our hands. Anything for employment. Please. We will do taking care of kids. Babysitting. As you hear, tomorrow they are doing slavery FIFA, ladies and gentlemen. Abdallah and Bashtu. For those who don't know, Bashtu is the best player in Africa in FIFA. This is Ninja in FIFA. For a tournament. Guys, we'll do a tournament of FIFA with subscribers as well, and the winner will get real money. For those who don't know, guys, there's always the tournaments we do, Bana. The tournaments we do, there's real money in it. So we never talk about so yeah, that's what's happening. Guys, a quick reminder, we'll be selling phones, you know, iPhones, Apple products, Apple Watch, I'll see Zote, headphones, kila kitu, AirPods. So guys, please make sure to follow me on Instagram.
Everyone, if you're watching this, yeah, here we go, yeah.
Wallahi, Hailey Maze. Hailey Stanfield, if you watch our videos, Bashama loves you so much. Bashtube is in love with you. We are tired of listening to him talking about you. Just DM him, please. Hailey Stanfield.
There's a lot of
DM him. Marake, this guy, Maji, just DM him, please, if you're watching this. Hi, Abdallah. Say goodbye, Abdallah. This is where Abdallah lives on a location. Abdallah lives somewhere here, guys. For those who want to meet Tunia, he lives somewhere here. I'll see Abdallah. Aya, nini Abdallah? Tutaingia dagus Abdallah. I'll see you. Thank you, Abdallah, for today. Thank you. Fishing tomorrow. Fishing, Abdallah. We are back home. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back home. The token is about to die as well. Oh my God, I'm tired, Maji. Well, I'm really exhausted. But hey, I'm finally back home. Now I'm gonna have to start editing this video so that it comes out today. because you guys know your boy's on the daily upload schedule. So unfortunately, your boy, I'm not sure you can even see me here, but your boy, I'm turning on the setup for those who are wondering, as you can see. I'm now turning on the PC. There we go. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. I apologize if the vlog is not up to standard, but great videos are coming soon. Don't worry, the vlog will get better, guys. We are trying. We've just started this. We are finally back. We are trying. And as usual, there'll be a credit at some point in the video. So make sure to pause and get that. That is yours. We have just done the first shipment of a product from Swahili Industries, basically the PlayStation 4. I'll try and get a buyer for the controller as well so that we can send that one out. The controller is still around. So guys, if you have 6,500, I think the price is now 6,500. Make sure to DM me, and tomorrow I will make sure it is at your doorstep. You get me, fam? So yeah, anyway, the phones are not here yet, for those who are wondering, because I've been getting a lot of DMs, people asking me which phones are available. The phones are not here yet, but once they get here, I'll post a story on the gram, Instagram, you know how it is. And yeah, I guess I'll start checking, you know, payments and stuff. I'll be delivering the phones, I guess, Kenya. We'll start small, guys, if you live in Kenya. You get me, from iPhones, everything. So yeah, anyway, see you guys in a bit. You guys are awesome. I love all of you, and peace.